Hi everyone, my name is Peter Moss and I'm delighted today to tell you a little bit more about my signature ukulele. I'm absolutely delighted that this, in association with Flight Ukuleles, we've managed to pull this off. I still can't believe it. Somebody pinch me. But anyway, in this little video I'm going to be doing some sound demos, which are the all important things, but also we'll be looking around the instrument, discussing some of the basic specifications. Towards the end of the video I'm going to be saying what the recommended retail price would be for this instrument and where you can get hold of one or go and try one. So here goes. For the audio nerds out there, basically to record it, the uke is going to be recorded absolutely flat, so no effects, no compression, no reverb, and I'm recording into a Zoom H6 and it's just using the XY stereo microphone on the front of the instrument, about 6 to 8 inches away from the ukulele. So are you ready? Here goes. So there you go. I hope you liked the sound of that. Now that was completely flat. In other words, there was no tone controls added, no bass, middle, treble, nothing. There was no compression, there was no reverb. However, when I'm playing live or I'm recording something, I always like to add a little bit of something to it. So I'm going to play the same tunes. This time around though, I'm going to add some compression, a little bit of EQ, and also a little bit of reverb as well. See what you think of this. I've been playing the Flight Spirit concert for the last 18 months and absolutely delighted with it. And when Flight approached me to actually build a signature model, it was on this sort of size that it had to be based. Now, what sort of price do you think it would be? Now, these days, you can't say what specific price it will be. However, you can put a suggested retail price. Now, if you look on Flight's website, for the Concert Spirit that I have been playing, that comes in euros at around 509 euros. And today, when I'm recording this, that is around 424 pounds. In dollars, that's going to be around, where are we? About $576. Now then, what do you think for it being a signature uke? Having all the extras in it, a unique look to it, completely different sound to it. How much do you think it should be? Okay, here goes. So remember, this is a suggested retail price, and these prices can alter from dealership to dealership. However, this is the price. In euros, we have 409 euros, which in UK currency is just around £340, and in the US that is around 464 US dollars at time of making this video. So deliberately we've kept the price low and affordable because we'd like you to have one. Of course we would. So in the YouTube description, there's going to be a list there of suppliers of this instrument, and you can go and try one out, and or you can order online. It's up to you. If you are thinking of visiting one of the stores, I highly recommend that you give them a ring first, because we're just coming out of COVID and some of the suppliers are by appointment only for obvious reasons. However, I hope you've enjoyed this video, a more in-depth look at the Peter Moss signature ukulele, and I look forward to hopefully meeting you in person sometime over the next few years. Take care. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.